Most people train what they can see: arms, chest, legs, abs. They push hard, stay consistent, and build a body that looks strong on the outside. But underneath all of that, deep inside your body, there is a group of muscles that controls everything: your posture, your stability, your core power, and yes, your confidence in every single movement you make. These are your pelvic muscles. And the truth is, most people never train them at all. If you want stronger pelvic muscles, better stability, better posture, and a body that feels balanced from the inside out, then today's video is exactly what you need. Because I'm about to share the best Kegel exercise routine for overall pelvic strength. A routine that doesn't need weights, doesn't need machines, and still delivers powerful internal strength you can literally feel in your lower body, hips, and core. Before we start, let me tell you something important. Most people only train the muscles they can see: abs, arms, chest, legs. But the muscles that actually control your power, your posture, your balance, and even your confidence are hidden deep inside your pelvis. Weak pelvic muscles don't just affect your workouts, they affect your daily life. You feel stiffness, lower back discomfort, weak hips, and even struggle with simple movements like standing up fast, lifting something heavy, or maintaining stability. But the good news? You don't need complicated exercises to fix this. You just need the right exercises. And today, we're doing exactly that. Before we get into it, drop your name and country in the comments below. This community is growing every single day, and I want to know where you are training from. Let's jump straight into the routine. 1. Adductor stretch. Start in a wide stance with both feet pointing forward. Shift your body weight slowly to one side while keeping the other leg straight. You should feel a deep stretch along the inner thigh of the straight leg. These muscles directly support your pelvic floor, and when they are tight, your pelvic strength suffers. Hold for a moment, then switch sides. Keep your chest upright and do not rush. We are not just stretching here. We are activating and improving blood flow to the muscles that matter most. This movement improves hip mobility, releases adductor tension, and strengthens the direct muscular connection between your inner thighs and your pelvic floor. Perform 8 to 10 slow reps on each side. Control every shift.
Feel every stretch. Give every single rep your full attention. 2. Butterfly pose. Sit down on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees drop out naturally to both sides. Sit tall, shoulders relaxed, spine upright. Now gently press your knees toward the ground using your elbows, but don't force it. Take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you exhale, gently contract your pelvic floor. Pull those deep muscles upward and inward and hold that contraction for 5 full seconds. Then release completely. That full release matters just as much as the squeeze. This position opens the hips and improves blood flow directly in the pelvic region, activating the deep stabilizing muscles of the inner thighs that directly support your pelvic floor. When these muscles are tight or inactive, your entire pelvic foundation weakens. This movement corrects that from the very first rep. Perform 10 to 12 slow, intentional reps. 5 seconds on, full release in between. Never let your posture collapse throughout.
3. Pelvic tilt into bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. First, tilt your pelvis by flattening your lower back into the floor. This is important. Do not skip this step. Feel your core engage before you even lift. Now push through your heels and lift your hips into a bridge. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. At the top, squeeze your glutes and imagine lifting your pelvic floor muscles upward. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then come down slowly, one vertebra at a time. This is one of the most effective movements for strengthening the muscles responsible for control. It teaches your glutes, core, and pelvic floor to fire together as one unit. That is exactly how real functional strength is built. Perform 10 to 15 controlled reps, slow on the way up, controlled on the way down. Strong contraction at the top every single time.
4.
Bent leg kickback. Come onto all fours. Keep your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Now, lift one leg, keeping it bent at 90 degrees, and push it upward toward the ceiling. Don't swing. Move slow and controlled. Focus on squeezing your glutes and engaging your pelvic floor at the top of every rep. Lower it back down and repeat. Then switch sides. Control is everything here. This movement directly targets your glutes and the deep muscles surrounding your pelvis. When your glutes are strong, your pelvis is supported. When your pelvis is supported, your entire body moves with more power and more stability. Do not rush through the reps. Slow and intentional will always deliver better results than fast and careless. Perform 10 to 12 reps on each side. Squeeze at the top every single time.
You have just completed one of the most underrated workouts in fitness, a routine that strengthens the muscles most people forget, yet rely on every single day. When your pelvic muscles get stronger, you don't just feel it. You function better, you move better, you age better, and your body becomes more connected, powerful, and stable. Perform this routine 4 to 5 times per week. You do not need more than 15 to 20 minutes. What you need is consistency, focus, and the willingness to show up for the muscles that silently support everything you do. Progress will not happen overnight, but if you keep showing up, day after day, with intention and discipline, your body will reward you. Better control, more power, stronger movement, greater confidence. That transformation starts right here with these 4 movements. Done right, done consistently. Your pelvic muscles are the foundation. Now it is your turn to build them.